Welcome back to the full stack inventory management system tutorial. In the previous video, we built product create and listing APIs. So if you see the project structure, we created the product routes, controller model. Also enable the authentication and the RBAC, rule-based access control middleware to those routes. Now it's time to make our APIs more flexible, efficient, and the feature rich. Today we will focus on enhancing product management by implementing pagination, filter, and sorting. We'll optimize the product listing for the better user experience. So if you see the product routes, uh, so we'll implement this pagination where the user can put the page and the limit. User can filter by status, search by the name and the description, sort by the various quantity. So if I show you the quick demo, first, I will log in and get the token. I will log in with the admin with the email admin@gmail.com, and my password is password. Here I will get the token. Next, I will use the token to authorize this application. Authorization done. Next, I can show you this products routes what we are going to build. So you can see it's a listing. We have two products. Now I search with the headphone. And if I execute, you can see I am getting the headphone only. And let's sort by the stock quantity. So you can see it's sorted descending order by the stock quantity. And if I sort by ascending order, I am getting the response in the ascending order. You can sort by the price name created and updated. And if I page size my one, and if I put the limit one, so I will get one record, and here we have the total page 2, current page 1. And if I go to the next page, page number 2, I will get another product. Other than this pagination, searching, filtering, and sorting, we will also explore in this video the update product. Here is the update product Swagger documentation, which will have this following responses, and it will have the body and also the delete product, and all those routes will have the request validation with joy, and it will follow the best practices for the API design, like the authorization validation and also the RBAC validation. So by the end of this video, we will have a fully functional and optimized product management system with secure, scalable, and the well-structured API. So let's dive in. Now I will jump to the VS Code, and we'll go to the project where we left in the previous video. If you missed the previous video, you can find the link in the top right corner. You will get the playlist link in the description of the video. So first I will go to the models. So models we will have the products model, and we have only the get all without any filtering, sorting, and the pagination. So first I will comment these things and I will initiate the next query. So let query equal to DB products. Next I will check the status. If the status is provided, then I will filter it. So filter by status. So if the status is provided, so status I will take in the parameter. So here I will take the status, and here if status is provided, then I will put in the query. Status I will convert it to the uppercase. So I will convert it to the uppercase to ensure the consistency. Next, I will have search by name or description. So if search parameter provided, I will perform search based on the search parameter. It will be the case sensitive search. So that's why we have the name I like search, and we also have in the description. Next, I will define the allowed columns for sorting. So const valid sorted or sort columns. I will take the name, stock quantity, price, created and earned, updated it. Next, I will have valid order types like the ascending and descending. Next, I will check if sort by and the order is provided. Then I will perform the sort by an order. So if sort by, let me take here status search. Next, sort by and also the order. So here I will check if sort by is provided and is in the validate sort columns list. Then I will perform the order by. Here I applied the order direction. It will be the ascending or the descending. Next I will apply the pagination. For this I will take the offset. So const offset. Before that I will take the page and limit. Here page. If page is not provided, I will default it to 1 and I will take the limit. If its limit is not provided, then I will default it to the 10. Next I will create the offset. It will be the page minus 1 into limit. And next I will have the query. I will apply the offset and the limit here. Next I will fetch the total number of products and counts, records and pages. So total await query dot clone count and total page I will have the total count by limit. Next I will execute the query and retrieve the product. So fetch records query dot select star, and next I will return total count, total page limit and the records. Next I will go to the product controller. So controller products dot controller, and here we have this get products. Here I will apply the filtering, sorting, searching, and first I will extract the optional query parameter from the request. For this I will take const status search page limit sort by and the order from the request.query. And next I will pass it to the get all method in the model, and we don't need this line. I remove this line, and here before passing I will make it to the integer page and the limit to ensure the proper numeric. So page parts int page comma 10, and same I will apply for the limit parts int. Now I will go to the routes, the product routes, and here we have this all. So here we don't need to make any changes. So next we will debug this application. So let me add the breakpoint. so that we can check it out what parameter is provided. Here I will put one breakpoint, and next here I will put one breakpoint. Next we are good to start the server. So you can see our server started in the debug mode. Next I will go to the Swagger documentation, which is localhost 3000/API docs. And here you can see we have this get products route. And next if I click on it, you can see we don't have the parameters here, so we have to add whatever parameters it's expecting in the swagger.yml. So I will add it and I will refresh this page. So here I added the parameters for the query parameters, like the page, limit, status, sort by order. Now I will go to the browser, and here I will refresh this Swagger documentation UI. And if I go to the products, and you can see we have these parameters. Here it's defaulted to 110, and we can filter by the status, we can search, sort by, and we also have the order. Next, if I try it out and if I execute, I am getting the status unauthorized. So first I have to log in and get the token. So I will go to the login route, and here I will log in with the customer@gmail.com. I will provide the password, and here I will go get the token for the customer. I will authorize the application with the token. And next, if I execute the product, next it will go here, and here you can see it goes there. Here the limit order all are undefined, and if I execute, it will get from the request query. So page, it's provided one, limit we have 10, sort by price, and the order we have the descending. So if you see here, whatever we provided, it goes, and next it will go to here and it will check if the status is provided. Status is not provided, it will go to the search also not provided. It will go to the validate sort columns and sort by, and the order is provided, it will sort by price in the descending order. And next it will apply the pagination, and here I am getting the total, and here we have the error, like the select constant from product order by price TSC limits. So let me correct it. So instead of the query clone, we can just put db products dot count. We'll get the total count. Next, try it again. Execute. And next, if I go here, so it passed, we have the total and the count is 2. Next, it will fetch all the products. So we have the products, 2 products. And next it will return the response. So we have the success response. Let's see in the browser what response we have. So we have this response, page 1, limit 10. Now if I put the status also, like put the active and search by the phone, and let's execute, and let's see in the debug mode what we get. So here status active, search by phone, page 1, limit 10, price, and the order we have the descending order. Next it will go here and it will go to the status block, it will go to the search block, it will sort by price and order. It will apply the pagination, the total one, total pages one, and the products will have two, because both present phone, the headphone and the phone, and it will give the response. Next, remove all the breakpoints and let's try. Next, search with the headphones only, and here I am getting the headphones only. And next, sort by the stock quantity descending order. Here, by the stock quantity descending order, we can search by the ascending order also. Here it's in the ascending order, so it's working as expected. Next, we'll work on the update product and delete product. So I'll jump to the VS Code again, and here product.model we have this create, and before create we'll put the update product. So update product, and update product will take the ID which product we need to update and the data which records we need to update. Here I need more filter, only the active product will be updated. So here also the status need to check, status is active, and here we need to update whatever the end user will provide it according with the updated date. Have the column updated at, so I will update with the timestamp when the request will come, db.fn.now, and here I will enclose it, the second bracket will provide the object. Next, I will go to the product controller and I will write the controller for the update product. So it will be the export update product. Here I will take the ID from the request params, and I will get the request body, and here I will provide it to the update, this one. And here one more checking needs to do. If it's update, if the product is undefined or the length less than 1, that means the product not found. I will return the error response. If not, product not found, or product dot length equal to 0. Next, I will close the api.yml and I will go to the routes, the product routes. Here in the product update routes, I have to apply the middleware like the auth, RBAC, validate product, and the create product also. So router dot put ID, and here I will apply the auth middleware, RBAC middleware, like the admin and the purchase manager only can update the product. We'll have the validate product and the update product, the update product controller. So validate product, I will go once the validate product middleware. Here we need some changes. So it's right now it's only for the create product. We have to modify so that we can use it for also the update product. So I will comment this, and here I will take the base product schema. So const base product schema, and base product schema I will take the name, price, description, stock quantity, whatever we'll have in the product, and I will not put the required. I will remove the required things from here. And next I will create the product validation schema. So it will the create product schema, and I will have the base product schema, and in the create product schema, the name, price, stock quantity, and status will be the required field. That's why I will put the name, price, stock quantity, status as the required, and description will not be required. And next I will have the update product schema, where I will put the base product schema, and here I will put the minimum 1. So update product validation schema, where the at least one field is required. So update product schema, at least one field is required. And next I will create the middleware to validate create product. So create middleware to validate create product. So here I will have the module.export.validate create product, and it will throw error if anything is wrong with the request body of the create product, and it will, if it's all good, then it will pass to the next middleware. Similarly, create middleware to validate update request, and I will remove the unnecessary code. Next I will go to the product routes, and here the validate product I will have the validate create product and the validate update product. So in post create I will have the validate create product, and here I will have the validate update product. So now our update route is completed. Next I will add this update product in the Swagger YML. So I added the update product in the swagger.yml. Here is the update product, the Swagger documentation. You will get this Swagger documentation in the Git repository, and you will find the link in the description of this video. Next I will debug this. So for this I will go to here, and for the update product I'll put some breakpoint in the controller here, and also the validate update product here, and update product routes here I need to get from the update product. You are good. Let's start the debug. Now the server started in the debug mode. Next I'll go here, and I will refresh the Swagger documentation, and here you can see we have this update product route. But first let's check the create product. We do some modification, so it should work as expected. Let's log in with the admin. Take the token, authorize. So I'm going to create this product, the gaming laptop. I will not provide the description, it's optional field. So it should create. So here you can see it's the product created successfully. We have the gaming laptop, and the description is now. Now if I retrieve the list here, execute, and I have this product. And if I now check the validation request body validation, it's in place for the create. So let's execute it, and here the price is required, so it's working. Let's now update this product. Whatever we just inserted right now, it has the ID 4. So I'll update the description, So here I will try it out. I'll put the ID 4, and here I will just pass the description, and I will make it inactive. Status I will put the inactive, and I will put the appropriate description here, and let's try it out. To execute it, it will go to in the debug mode. We have this validate product. It will validate the request body, and here we don't have any error. It passed to the next middleware. We have the update product, and here it's updated and it's returned the product, and you can see the description is updated here, and it will provide the successful response. Let's check here. So here the description is updated and status is inactive right now. Now if we press this again, execute, and here you can see we have the 4, we have the description, and now if I filter by status inactive, I will get only one product. Here we have only one product, so it's working as expected. Let's check the update product without providing anything. So here we have, it should throw error. So we have the error that value must have at least one key. So here we have this response for 100 bat request, and here we have all the description, but the ID we are providing, it's not valid. So let's execute it. So we have the error product not found, and here you can see we have the product not found. Execute again, and we have this error product not found. So this route's also working as expected. Next, I will write the code for the delete product. So let's jump into the VS Code, close all, and stop the server. And now I'll go to product model, and here I'll put the model for the delete product. So delete product. So I don't have the soft delete right now. So dot delete. For the delete, the status checks is not needed. Active, inactive, all the products can be deleted, and delete product will be allowed by the admin only. So next I'll go to the middleware, and I will write the controller, sorry, and I will write the code for the delete product. Here we have the product dot delete. I will pass the params ID. If not product, the product not found error will be given. And next I will go to the route, product route, and here I will have the delete router dot delete ID, and here I will have the authorization middleware, RBAC middleware, only admin can delete the product, and here I will pass the delete product. Next it good to start the server. Next I will start it in the normal mode, not the debug mode. So the npm start is the command. So let me check. Delete product is not defined. Here we have to define the delete product. So here we have the nodemon. So when I change, it's automatically restarted. It's running now. Next, in the api.yml, I have to put the delete route. So here I added the delete product in the api.yml. Next, I will go to the browser and refresh this. So I got documentation. And here we have all the routes like the update delete. So I'll test the delete route. So first test it with the customer login. So let's try the get products. Customer can read all the products. So let's try it out and execute. Here we have the 3 products. I'll take 4. So let's try to update the product 4. And here you can see you don't have permission to access this resource. That means the customer don't have permission to update the product. And if I want to delete the product, try it out. 4, execute. And we have the same error 403 forbidden. So we need the admin to update or delete product. So I'll get the admin token. I'll authorize with the admin. I log in with the admin. Let's try to delete the product, execute, and success, product deleted successfully. And next, I will go here and execute. And here you can see we have the 2 products. 1 product got deleted. I can try one more time with 1 and execute. It's deleted, the product deleted successfully. And next, execute. We have the 1 product only, the wireless headphone. Okay, so the delete product out is also working fine. So we are wrapping up this episode here. In this video, we enhance our product management APIs by implementing the pagination, filtering, and sorting for optimized product listing. Update and delete product APIs with secure validation, request and validation with joy to ensure data integrity, and best practices for the API design to improve maintainability and the performance. With these improvements, our API is now more efficient, scalable, and secure. So in the next episode, we will explore more features. So stay tuned for the next part. If you are following this series, don't forget to like the video. If you find it helpful, comment below with any questions or feedback. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episode. Thanks for watching and keep coding.